Okay, so which fruits are the highest in nutrition? I've got a very simple answer for you. All of them. All of them, yes. Now, I recently did a video on watermelon and oranges, two of my favorite fruits. But you could basically do research on any fruit, and you're going to find tons of benefits. Why? Because fruit, more than any other food group, okay, more than vegetables, more than animal-based foods, more than starches, potatoes, and things like that, fruits are the highest source of vitamins on planet Earth. On planet Earth, yes. So, why not eat a lot of fruits? That's what I think is a wise thing to do. Now, the other thing is, I believe in creation. And the Creator knew exactly what we need. He knows better than anybody. And what did He give our first parents? Fruit. That was it. So, fruits are the best. Remember, we're designed for them, and vitality comes from fruit. You know, that word again, vitality, and the word vitamins, right? They go hand in hand. You get the vitamins, you get the vitality. What is a vitamin? It's an organic compound which is essential for normal growth. It's got protein, don't worry about it, and nutrition that's required. Because, yes, these vitamins cannot be synthesized by the human body. We can't make our own. We have to take them in from food. And another thing that I found was it says most people get all the vitamins they need from a healthy diet. But what is a healthy diet? It seems like there's a lot of controversy right now. Some people are on carnivore, some are omnivore. I am not a frugivore per se. I eat high fruit, but I also eat vegetables. I eat leafy greens, things like that. I eat nuts and seeds. So, I'm not a total fruitarian. I've been using that word because my diet is so high fruit. But, so that's what I wanted to talk about today. You know, there's over 2,000 different fruits worldwide. Here in the United States, we get maybe about 10% of that. So that's still 200 different fruits. You've got, for more than half the year, you got a different fruit every day. Now, I know it's not easy to get. And I feel fortunate that I live in a subtropical area where I can get, a lot of tropical fruits. Plus, I can get all the grapes and pears and apples, plums and peaches and all that. So, yeah, and by the way, we're coming into peach season in Georgia. The best peaches in the world right there. So, look for those at Trader Joe's. Because sometimes they'll sell a box of them and they're so good. By the way, well, I better not. I'll talk about that another time. But anyway, all the fruits are good. Don't try and isolate a certain food like, oh, watermelon's really good for me. Yes, it is. But, get variety because each of these fruits has different vitamins that are vital for you. So eat as much variety of fruit as you can. Don't get hung up on one thing. Like some people, this week it's goji berries, the next week it's whatever, some other superfood, acai or whatever. Don't get hung up on that. Make it a wide variety. All the best, guys. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. All the best. Fruit up, baby.